Seeing the error, a client-side exception has occurred on your favorite website? Don't panic. Here's how to fix it in under 2 minutes.
The fastest fix is a hard refresh. Press Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload the page from scratch, bypassing any corrupted cached files. It works about 60% of the time, so try this first.
So, what is this error exactly? This message appears when a website's JavaScript code crashes in your browser without being caught. It is especially common on websites built with Next.js, like Spotify, Character.ai, or Claude. The website tried to run some code, something broke, and there was no fallback to handle it gracefully.
If a hard refresh did not work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cached Images and Cookies, then hit Clear. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing the crash. This fixes the issue about 80% of the time.
Still seeing the error? Your browser extensions might be the culprit. Ad blockers and privacy tools can sometimes block the JavaScript that websites need to run. Try opening the page in incognito mode, which disables extensions by default. If it works there, you know an extension is causing the problem. Disable them one by one to find which one is interfering.
Another common cause is an outdated browser. Older versions may not support modern JavaScript features that websites rely on. Go to your browser settings, find the About section, and let it auto-update. This takes just a minute and can fix compatibility issues that cause client-side errors.
If nothing else has worked, try switching to a different browser. If the site loads fine in another browser, the problem is specific to your original one. Also, make sure JavaScript is enabled. Go to your browser settings, search for JavaScript, and confirm it is set to allowed. Some security configurations accidentally disable it.
So why does this error happen? The most common reason is corrupted cache files that have gone stale. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with JavaScript execution. An outdated browser might lack support for modern web standards. And sometimes, the problem is on the website's end, a bug in their code or a server issue that you cannot control.
To prevent this error in the future, keep your browser updated to the latest version. Clear your cache regularly, at least once a week. Only use trusted browser extensions. Maintain a stable internet connection. And bookmark downdetector.com to quickly check if a service is having issues. Having a backup browser is also a smart move.
If this video helped you fix the error, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or tell us which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.